Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Vfxexpert. So guys, in this today's class we are going to see keying in Fusion, and also we will see how we can combine multiple keyer inside Fusion. So let's start the class here. So now we are inside Fusion and just type importable this sort inside Fusion. Simply just we have to drag and drop here in this first window or inside this first viewer. Now just we can play and just check. So this is our sort here. And also you can see some these hairs here. So while we will remove this green skin, we have to also maintain all these details here, whichever all these hairs details here. So for removing this green skin, we will use multiple methods. So we will explain all inside this Fusion here. So first just I am going to use delta keyer, then we will see how to create clean plate, then we will also see how to use clean plate with delta keyer. So now here first just I am going to use a delta keyer. So simply you can press Ctrl and space bar, so you will get this node finder. Now just type delta keyer. Then this plate output just we have to connect with this background or this yellow color here, this one here, or simply just you can hold Alt and just drag and drop here, so you will get all these options here. Then simply just you can connect with these things here, so just you can see here. Now just I have added the delta keyer. Now just we have to load this delta keyer inside of this window here. Now simply just we have to drag and drop here. Then after this we have to pick this green color, or suppose if you have a blue color screen, then you have to pick this colors here. So now for this what I have to do, simply just you have to select this delta keyer, then right side inside this inspector you will get this background color, means just we have to select this background color, which color you want to remove. So simply just we have to hold this picker. So remember this one, you have, if you will click and select color, this will not select any color. So simply just you have to hold this picker with the left mouse button, then you have to pick this color. So now just you can see here, so just I am getting this checker backgrounds here, means transparency area just I am getting. Now suppose just I am selected, so if you will move in the different area, so just you are getting a different transparency here. So you can see little bit difference here. Now here I have selected maybe this color here. So now in this background color you will see just I have selected this green color. Now after this we have to also check our alpha channels. So now just simply we have to click inside this first viewer. Now we have to press A for alpha channels. Now this is our alpha here, or you can say matte, means and this is our black area which will be our transparent, and this white area which will be our opaque area. So now here if you will see still a little bit, just I am getting some pixels inside about this black area. So we have to make this area complete black and also this area complete white. Little bit also just I am getting some gray area on top of this foreground area here or inside this white area. So just you can see even a little bit. If you want to see in detail, then you can use this gamma slider and just you can see all these things here. Okay, so just clear this gamma things here. So now first just I am going to clear this backgrounds here. So for this just you can use this gain value here. Even suppose if you want, you can also first now press A again. First you can little bit remove your noise or grain if you are getting maybe a grain footage here. So for this just you can use simply Control A space bar and noise removal node. So just you can see this noise removal. Remember this one here, this one just we have to use. Now just we can add before starting your keying. Now just you can drag and drop here, then select this noise removal and just you can lock this parameter. Then you can add a little bit this softness and also just you can adjust the details here. So now just you can see it's not too much. Even individual parameter you can also use here. So now after this is actually keying here. Now if you will again press A, so just you can see things here. So now first just I am going to clear this background here, then simply you have to select the delta key here, then use this gain value here. So now a little bit value just you can adjust, not too much, otherwise this will also remove these some edges area here. So not too much, remember this one here, otherwise this will also remove your details here. So just you can see these things here. So little bit just we have to adjust these things here, not too much, because we have to also maintain our all the details here. So like this, just simply you can clear your backgrounds area here. Then for this foreground area, so if you see this one here, so for this, if you want, you can use this balance here, or just you can click on this matte options here. Then you will get this clean foreground and clean backgrounds here. With the help of this foreground, just we can clear all these gray pixel on top of this foreground here. So now just simply just you can adjust this clean foreground. Now there is no any gray pixels here, so just you can see. Now after this, what you can do, if you want, you can also little bit blur your edges. These edges here, simply just you can blur. Even you can also use this erode and dilate, so just you can manage your matte. So just you can see this one here, so like this. So just clear this value here. Now little bit just I am going to use blur these things here. So this is our actually matte here, so just clear this gain and alpha. So this is our final matte here. Now if you will press A, so here maximum detail just I project. So just you can see still I am losing little bit detail. So we will also explain another method where you can actually recover all your details here. See, now if you will press A, so just you can see this is your just now simply just I have removed this green screens here. So now after this, what we have to do, simply just we have to merge this background, then you have to match color here. So now here just I am going to merge with our this background. So here I have already imported our this background. So this is our background plate. Then after this, just I have adjusted this resize, means just I change this size according to our this main plate here, and also little bit just I have adjusted this defocus things here. So just you can see it here. So nothing special is there. Now simply just we have to merge out all these things on top of this backgrounds here. So now just we have to take a merge node. So press Ctrl and space bar, this merge node. Now just we can merge 2D things here. So this will be our background and this will be our foreground here. So let me just keep it here. So usually just we can manage all these things here. So now if you will drag and drop here, so just I am getting this output here. So this is our actually first method. Even suppose if you are maybe getting some spills on your characters here, then you can also select your keyer. Then you can go to this fringe things here. Then you can use spill method like well done, then rare other things here. So this is totally depends on your sort. If you are maybe getting spill, then you can also use these things here. So now this is our first method. Now just I am going to see second method, how we can use actually clean plate with the delta key here. So now again simply just we can select this, Ctrl C copy and just paste it here. Now just I am going to use another method. So first we have to create a clean plate. So just like IBK inside Nuke, same as inside this Fusion, you can also use your clean plate with this delta key here. So now first just I am going to create a clean plate. So this is our again sort here. So just we have to maintain all these things here. Just we have to recover all these things. Now just we have to take a clean plate node, because first we have to create a clean plate. So Control and space bar, then just we have to type clean plate, and just we have to connect with this footage and just drag and drop here. Now inside this one you will also get this background color. So simply just we have to pick this color, select, click and hold and just pick this color. So now just I am getting this hole here. So we have to fill this entire area with this green colors here. So now still if you will see, just I am losing some details here. So just you can see. So just we have to recover all these details here. So for this, what we have to do, first just I am going to clear these things here. So just you can use the threshold. Now just I am going to little bit extend these edges here. So just we can recover all these details here. So just you can use this erode things here. Grow edges, you can also see something. Now if you will use this grow things here, so you will see now just I am getting this clean plate here. Still just I am getting this problem, so just clear this one here. So little bit just erode, just I am going to adjust it here. So just I am getting all the details here. Now bottom side you will get this fill options here. Simply just click on this hold frame, otherwise this will take too much time here. Now just we have to click on this fill. So now here you will see just I am getting these things here. Still little bit problem just I am getting, so just you can adjust this erode value. So now if you will uncheck these things here, so just you can see, because if you will lose your some details, So this will just create some problems. So just first clear this one here, so just you can see. So just you can see these things here. So now if you click on this fill, so you will get result like this here. Okay, so before clicking on this fill, just we have to cover this entire things here. Now after this, just I am going to use here this fill area here. Now just I am getting this completely clean plate here. So now just I have created this clean plate inside Fusion. Then after this, you can use this clean plate with your delta keyer here. Even if you want, you can also little bit use blur and just you can blur out your clean plates here. Now if you want, you can little bit just use blur. So control and space bar and type blur. So a little bit, not too much, maybe some pixels here, not too much. So this is our clean plate. Now here just I created our clean plate. Then after this, just I am going to remove this green screen from our this sort using delta keyer with the help of this clean plate. So now press control space bar and take again delta keyer. Now just connect it here. Simply this output just we have to connect with the delta keyer. Now just we have to drag and drop here, simply again same. So now with the help of this clean plate, just we have to remove these green screens. So you can plug your clean plate with this input here, or simply hold Alt button and just drag and drop on this delta keyer here. So you will get these options or these input options here. Then you can adjust this clean plate, and so this will automatically just connect this clean plate with this clean plate input here. Even you can also connect with like this here, but this will little bit maybe create some problem because this will also maybe connect with other inputs here. Then simply what you can do, hold Alt and just drag and drop here, so you will get all these options. Then simply you can select your required options here. So now here just I am getting this cleaner chroma here, and also just I maintain all the hair details. So just you can see. Now suppose if you will check your alpha here again, because alpha channel is important or matte is important, so just we have to check A for alpha. So now just if you will see, just I am getting this clean matte here. So just you can see, still suppose if you will see little bit some pixels here, so just you can select a little bit this gain value, just you can adjust, not too much, otherwise you will lose your hair details here. So maybe just little bit value, just you can adjust this one here. Okay, so now just clean this black area, just I am getting which is transparent here. Now inside this foreground area, if you will see, still just I am getting some these pixels here. So just you can see. For this, what we have to do, if you want, you can use all these options here, which I have already explained, but maybe this will also lose your details here. So for this, what we have to do, just I am going to use another keyer and we will merge these two keyer inside this Fusion. So first for this, just I am going to use another keyer. So you can use ultra keyer, even you can also use primate keyer. So whatever you like, you can use another keyer here. So just I am going to use primate here. So again control and space bar and just type primate. So this is just for hold matte, because this is our actually soft matte or edge matte you can say. Now just I am going to create hold matte here. Now just select this primate and just connect with this one here. Now just drag and drop here. So now we have to press A. Now just clear this gamma first. So simply just you can see, first select background color, you can click here, or this is already selected, then simply you can click here. So now just now you have to press A. So we have to make this pure white, remember this one here. So now after this, you will get this clean background and clean foreground, same as inside Nuke. So just we have to select this background and just we have to clear all these pixels here. Now inside the foreground area, just we have to also see if we are getting any. Now you can see this is pure white here. So still if you are getting maybe any some gray pixels here, then you can select this foreground and just you can clear all these things here. So this will be our hold matte, remember this one here. Then go to this matte option, you can blur all these edges. So what you can do before adjusting all these things, go to this first option and lock color picking. So this will not do anything, otherwise maybe this will create problem. Now just go to here. Now just you can little bit blur your edges. Now first clear this matte, so just you can see, because this is just we have to use edge hold matte. Even if you want, you can also little bit just adjust these things here. You can also adjust this thing even if you are getting maybe any black things here. So now this is actually hold matte, remember this one here. This is our hold mat. So now with the help of this mat, just I am going to fill all these area here. So just you can see these things here. So now just I am going to combine these two keyers here. So just you can see these things here, even just adjust this one here, so just we can properly just we can see. Even here you can also see. So what I am going to do here, simply just select this primer and just we can drag and drop on top of this delta keyer. So there are two inputs. So this is actually garbage mat which you want to remove, then hold mat which you want to keep. So suppose if you are maybe getting some garbage area, then you can also create auto shape and just you can connect with this garbage mat here. So now just I am going to combine this one. So again hold Alt and just drag and drop here. Now just you can use this as a solid mat or as a hold mat here. So now just I am getting this pure white area. Now if you click here, just clear these things. Now if you press A, so just we have to check. Now if you press A, so just we have to check. So these hair details here. Now just even little bit also just you can go to this prime mat and just you can adjust this one here. Not too much blur and just you can use dilate little bit. So this is our this mat and this is our prime mat. So now just we have to combine this. Now just you can see all these details here. These details here. If you are getting this some problems here. And this is our actually second one here. So now if you will see without this mat, just unplug this one here. Just I am getting some these area here. So just you can see these things here. So now just we have to connect as a this solid mat here. So now just we have to cover all these things here. Now just clear this gamma here. So now just you can see. So here just I have maintained all these hair details also. Now after this simply just we have to press A. Then you can combine after this with your backgrounds here. Even suppose if you are getting maybe any garbage area, then you can just take this roto shapes and just simply just you can connect with this garbage mat and just you can create shape and just you can connect with this garbage mat like this. Just you can create your shape, then you can connect with this garbage mat here like this. Okay, so this is totally actually depends on your requirements here. Now just you can see so like this. So if you are getting maybe any garbage area, then you can also just use this polygon as a garbage mat here. So now here just simply you can delete these things here. So now this is our final result here and this is looking good. Then after this again just you can combine this background, then you can select these things here. So again control C copy and just paste this one here. So easily just we can see all these things here. Now again just take a merge node. So simply just we can take a merge node. Now this will be our background and this will be our foreground here. Now just drag and drop. So this is our output here. Now just click here and just we can select these things here. So guys, this things our output here. So just you can see. So here I maintain all these details here. Edges are also soft. So all these, so all things are just looking good here. Now little bit just we have to also adjust our maybe some color value here and just we have to match with this footage. Still this is looking good. But now a little bit just I am going to adjust this background here according to our this characters here. So just I am going to use color correct node here. So again control space bar and type curve tool. So just you have to use color curve. Then you can connect with this background and just you can adjust this black value and this is white value. So little bit maybe dark, not too much. Even this you can click here and just you can create some point and just you can adjust these things here. Not too much, otherwise maybe this will just will not look good here. Now this is looking good here. Now simply just we can play and just we can check our result. Now just select the single viewer and just we can drag and drop here. Now press Ctrl F, fit all these edges here. Now just you can play and just we can check. So guys, this is our final result here. So like this you can combine two keyers inside Fusion and also you can create your clean plate and just you can use this clean plate with your delta keyers. And remaining things just you can adjust according to your requirements here. So guys, till here I've completed our this class keying inside Fusion. So guys, if you like this video, please watch, share, comment and subscribe my channel if you are still not subscribed my channel. So thanks for watching.